This is your exclusive sneak peek into the 2-day course that I'm currently creating for Community Summits Academy this October. So don't judge me on how boring these slides are. This is my creative process. I put all of the data in first and then I beautify it. But this is what we're going to cover in day 1 of my course, which is going to be on October 18th. This is System Admin 101. I did this course at Summit last year as well as an Academy class. It got great reviews. I'm really excited to be back and talk about mostly the same items we covered there, but making a couple tweaks along the way. So System Admin 101 is focused on all of these topics. This is designed to skill you up in the basics. We'll talk about System Admin 201 in a few minutes. So this is just our intro. We're going to talk about solution management and overall application lifecycle management. So we're giving a little more meat to that module than what we had last year. We're going to do a deep dive into the Power Platform Admin Center and actually the new model-driven app, more so than the Admin Center now. We'll talk about Security 101, some basic security concerns and things that you should know about as you're implementing a security model for an organization. We've got views, columns, and forms, how to add new ones, how to work with existing ones, and talk about the different options that are available to you. We're going to talk about search, so that's the global Dataverse search, as well as the search within a specific table, how to modify which fields are searched and which ones show up when you perform a search. How to work with model-driven apps if you want to customize your own. We'll talk about business rules because they're still super awesome and useful for system admins when we're talking about out-of-the-box tooling available to us. We'll talk about basic level teams and Outlook integration, what the capabilities are, and how you go about implementing it. And then have Q&A and a deep dive. So that is System Admin 101. Brand new content. All of this is brand new content. I'm still working on this one, but I'm really psyched to deliver System Admin 201 on October 19th. Now, everyone that took my class really liked it last year, but I did have a couple students reach out and say, I want like the next level of stuff. I also have an online class on my website, crmheidi.com, which is the System Admin 101 content more or less. And this is the second iteration of where we're going to go with that. So first part we're going to talk about is Copilot in N4 sales, service, and marketing. Then we're going to talk about table relationships and field relationships, talk about how to map different things between them. We're going to go into UI controls that you can apply out of the box on forms, views, and tables. Then we're deep diving into advanced settings. I'm really excited about this. So what are the other things that you can configure out of the box for sales, service, and marketing? Then we're going to talk about Power Automate, how to get started using Power Automate. We'll talk about triggers, actions. We'll look at the Dataverse connector. Power BI integration. I'm really excited to talk about this one as well. And then talk about what you have available to you in your admin toolkit, like the XRM toolbox and different things like that. And then give some tips and tricks for the trade. So that's what we'll be covering in System Admin 101 and System Admin 201. I hope to see you in Orlando, and reach out to me if you have any questions about the class and which day or days you should sign up for.